You don't give because you want a reputation from people. You are giving because you want a good reputation from God. You should please God more than people in your giving. For those that have dominion mindset, they love you, God first, they love their family, they love people, and people to be won to Christ. Claro? What about lead? Yung mga mahihirap, nabubuhay lamang para kumita. Gusto mo ba yon? Hanggang mamatay ka, you just live to earn a living? You just work 15, 30, 7 times a week? Is that your only purpose? Why God created you? Yung mga mayaman, nabubuhay sila to accumulate physical wealth, magparami ng kayamanan, magparaki ng kanyang kingdom? No! People that have dominion mindset, they live to distribute God's resources. Kayo po ang distributor ng God's resources, whether material or spiritual resources. Kaya kayo nagbibigay to disperse the blessing of God, to become a distributor, not a hoarder. Alam nyo ba yon? Kung lahat kayo nagtutulungan, walang mahirap. Walang magugutom kung ang lahat ng mga membro ng church ay nagtutulungan sa lahat ng pangangailangan, hindi lamang sa church, kundi sa pamilya ng ibang tao. You are a wealth distributor. You are not a wealth hoarder. You are a kingdom investor. If you are a businessman, the main reason you become a businessman so that you will be a blessing to others. You will give employment to people. You will have the ability to give more than other people.